There's a bird over there.
Wait. Please on it. No.
Biruin mo, may birds sa mga flowers ko inside the house.
No.
Paano to nakapasok?
Don't.
Hi, bird! La, ayun na.
Don't touch the TV.
Okay.
The bird is still in our house.
Hi, bird!
My mom will send the bird video to you. Yeah.
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah.
It's not listening.
La. That bird don't know how to exit.
Oh, shoot.
Oh my gosh. Paano to nakapasok? Me. Hmm? It's so close.
I told you there was a bird in the house.
Hi, bird. I love birds. Oh my God.
They don't understand you, Daddy. You're talking human.
Hala ka ni, maguba na dyan.